Buckley, I tell you, say, and this and that niggas win scene. Lauren, this did this big up, you don't know. Yeah, man, Manchester, Tivoli Garden, Tower Hill, all over Jamaica, cause you don't know, say, and this and that niggas win. Ooh, can't test your man, cause yo, at the throne now, and this and that niggas win. Well, Lord, yes, who can come and test me? Sound I go dead tonight, boy. Who can come and test me? Sound I go dead tonight, boy. Cause ain't sound boy, go right you will. Cause tonight, Balance and the niggas we kill. We sharpen up front, and ain't sound boy, you better line up for your punch. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Cause I'm Cadabra, damn, understand that next week champion. Kick some sound, boy, no matter where them come from. All of them massive, they must shake off we on. I say international, the band champion. Is with international, the band champion. Yeah, night and there's the band champion. Yeah, yes we are the band champion. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Cause we big up in the town, we big up in the country. In a Cornwall, mingle sex and brown, that's sorry. All of the girls, them want fall away. Just through them know we have the plate plenty. Just through them know we have the plate plenty. Just through them know we have the plate plenty. Through them know I the plenty. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy. It's a foolish dog, bark at a flying bird. You must sing sound, boy, and not be heard. A patient man, them ride donkey, but you and your sound can't cut this party. Who can come and test me? Hell, I go pop tonight, boy.